We start with 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. And as we can see, we have been basically, we get a flat here, then the price drop. And if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned for long term, we want to see the reversal. We want to see how we can look for trade, for buy. Anyway, if we refer to our indicators, we see we have a divergence. That means whoever get the trade, they have to start to manage. No one see whether there is a continuation and the price can retest the previous low or not. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. If we move to daily chart, as what we expected, we mentioned we can expect the price consolidate for longer time before we get the reversal. That's why I mentioned when the price was within this move, we mentioned if anyone wants to look for trade, they have to be careful. Anyway, we want to see whether we can look for reversal or not for long term. And we cannot refer to the indicators because the price haven't retested the previous low. And if we move to forward chart, and we don't have anything based on forward chart to discuss. The only thing is whether the price can retest 0.07 or not. Anyway, if we move to 1 hour chart, from now, whoever get the trade for sell, they have to start to manage, at least move their stop loss to break even and be looking for the reversal. If we get any reversal, any trade for buy, this is what we are more interested. And the possibility of the price retest the previous low is there. That's mean if the price retests this the previous low, it can give us a better confirmation. But as I mentioned, we don't need to wait for that. Any reversal with a short move flag, we can look for buy. And having entry above here can be an option. The best thing is we put above here because right now this one is really close. Okay. And again, maybe we add having entry either above here or above desktop can be an option. It depends on the traders how they can manage. For me, I put above desktop, but I will monitor it. It doesn't mean I just put my entry here and leave. Because how about if the price we get similar correction similar to any of this, the price tag and drop. Okay. By the way, we need to add what we want by having entry above this. We want if the price reverse sharply, break and continue the price tag. This is not moving within the first or second hours, we take out the trade. But if the price reverses a corrective move, we are not going to have a trade by having entry above this. Then having entry above the top, either above this top or here, can be an option. It depends on the traders and how they can do the skill they want to manage it. And can we look for sell from now? It's not really good to look for sell unless the price break the previous low and we see the continuation. That means still we can expect to get the correction for continuation. But as long as the price haven't broke 0.07 within this range, looking for sell is a short-term trade. It depends on the traders. We don't add in our analysis. In this analysis, the only thing is we will want to see whether we can get the reversal or not. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thank you.